when there's winter storm outside and the temperature drops below -20 Celsius, which is about -4 Fahrenheit. One of the best ways to battle against the coldness of the winter is the ZIPPO hand warmer. So let's try today this ZIPPO hand warmer and ignite the burner and also check with the infrared thermometer how hot will this ZIPPO hand warmer get. Let's open the ZIPPO hand warmer package and see what's included. The package comes with the manual and all the instructions. And then we have the hand warmer itself. And here is the pouch for the hand warmer. And cup, which we use to fill the warmer. And the hand warmer itself. So it's quite small in size. Let's take a look at the instructions. So the runtime is up to 12 hours. This manual comes in really many different languages. Let's take off the lid from the warmer. And here we can see the catalytic burner, which we can take off by just lifting it gently upwards. And through this hole we will pour some lighter fuel to fill this hand warmer. And here we have the plastic cup, which we will fill all the way to this line, so we get runtime of about 12 hours. I'm using this ZIPPO lighter fuel to fill up the plastic cup. This ZIPPO lighter fuel is really high quality lighter fuel. And we just fill the cup with the fuel. Now it's filled up all the way to the 12-hour runtime mark. Then let's pour the lighter fuel inside the hand warmer through this little hole. It might take a while to fill the lighter. And we try to avoid that we don't push this nozzle too down against the hand warmer, otherwise this white material which absorbs the fuel will go too down and it won't ignite the burner. So let's just gently fill the hand warmer. And now it's filled. And then we place it upwards for a couple of minutes so the fuel gets soaked into the hand warmer. Let's put the catalytic burner to its place. About 5 minutes has gone and all the fuel should have been absorbed inside the hand warmer. As a lighter, I'm using this ZIPPO gasoline lighter, which has this plastic case. And then let's try to ignite the hand warmer. And let's keep the flame on each side for about 5 to 10 seconds. So the catalytic burner should ignite. So there is no visible flame coming out from the catalytic burner while it's working. But if we power off the lights, we can see a little bit of this reddish color inside the catalytic burner on both sides. And if we place hand over the catalytic burner, we can definitely feel that the hand warmer is radiating heat. And let's just place the lid to its place and then wait a little bit that the hand warmer heats up. Now the ZIPPO hand warmer has been burning about 10 minutes, so let's check the temperature. It's about 74 in Celsius, which is about 166 in Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, this hand warmer is so hot that you can't no longer touch the lid without burning your hands. You can just take off the lid if you are using some protective gloves. And the catalytic burner is burning. And then let's place this hand warmer inside this ZIPPO pouch. And now you can put it inside your hand and it won't burn. Let's measure the temperature on the surface of the pouch. About 52 in Celsius, which is about 124 in Fahrenheit. And you can place the ZIPPO hand warmer inside your gloves. But please make sure that the ZIPPO hand warmer gets oxygen, otherwise the catalytic burner will go off. This ZIPPO hand warmer pouch is made of some really nice material, and it's really soft, and it prevents your hands getting any burns while using the hand warmer. If you want to turn off the ZIPPO hand warmer, even if there's still lighter fuel inside the hand warmer, one trick is that you place the hand warmer inside the ZIPPO pouch, and then you put the hand warmer inside a plastic bag, which you close tightly so the catalytic burner won't get any oxygen, and it will turn off slowly. So, final words about this ZIPPO hand warmer. I think it's an excellent hand warmer. It doesn't need any electricity to work. Just refill the tank with lighter fuel and it's ready to go another 12 hours. So it has a really long run time. And it gets really hot, so it does the job as a hand warmer really well. Thanks for watching, and bye.